This guy's gonna make me a vegetarian banh mi, kong, yeah. About I think 80 cents each for his banh mi's. Hanoi means vegetarian. Anyway, he's trying his best to make me a vegetarian banh mi here. Okay, 20,000 dong. Okay, thank you. There we go. So got the banh mi. Time to eat a little bit of breakfast, and then we can hit the road again in this cool Vietnam weather. Got to enjoy the banh mi here. All right, guys. So we're gonna try these vegetarian banh mi's here in the small town. I have no idea what the name of this town is, but I'm hungry, haven't had breakfast, so let's get into it. It's kind of flattened the bread. It's actually quite nice. When you're hungry and you're in Vietnam, you gotta have a banh mi. Alright people, as you can see, there is Bavi Mountain. We're going to try and make our way up there. Apparently you can drive up about 3/4 of the way up. So we'll have a go at getting up there and driving up there and checking out some of the vibes. It is a bit windy and cold at the moment. It's about 8 degrees, and I guess it's going to be a lot colder up there and a bit windier. But we've kind of got the hoodie on and the gloves and stuff, so we should be all good in the hood. But I'm going to chuck the camera on the helmet and we're going to try and get some time warps going up the mountain, and hopefully we can get up there to the top. Apparently there's like an old French church ruin up there that I want to go and check out as well. So let's head on up to Bavi Mountain. Wow, so cool. Bavi Mountain. All right. So now we're inside the national park. So we had to go through the security, give a ticket, 70,000 Vietnam dong. It's actually 60,000 for the ticket, and the other 10,000 you get a couple of tickets for parking. So you get some parking when you go and like do a bit of a hike. You can have people look after your bike, so you just give them one of the tickets. Look at these beautiful sunflowers just growing along the side of the road here. So beautiful. There's Bavi Mountain in the background. So we're going to make our way up and see how far we can get, and check out some of these beautiful vibes. Guys, check out this view. Let's grab the camera. How beautiful that is. Seems like a little temple down there. And a bit of a lake. Look at all the vegetation and forest here. But these sunflowers are like growing right up the side of the mountain here. They're everywhere. Amazing. Beautiful. Glad I got a good motorbike as well. Got a bit of weight on me as well. I've got like a 20 kg pack full of stuff. But we're taking our time getting up this mountain. Getting a bit steeper now, so and a bit windier and colder. Got the map here. There's a few windy roads coming up. Check out the vibes, guys, while we're driving. Bavi National Park. Keep your eye out for a snake. You can find a snake here. Apparently there's a lot of king cobras around. Guys, check out these vibes here. The trees just hanging over the road on the way up. Apparently when it gets foggy up here, it looks really eerie. People feel a little bit like spooked out when they see the fog and the overhanging trees, the airiness. A few people down here camping. Must be locals. We're getting higher and higher. Wow, check out those vibes. Right there, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. There's that temple thing and the pond, lake that we saw from the other angle. Actually, I think we saw it from down there. Wow, that's really beautiful. Alright guys, so we are up a bit further in the mountain. Check out these vibes here. Beautiful trees. I don't know what that is. It's like a mansion of some sort. Look at all these like lamps along the side of the road. I'm sure they're lamps. Here they are, they're lights. Alright guys, so we are here in the mountainous forests of Bavi. I think we're nearly up to one of the peaks. It's taken about 20 or 30 minutes from the main gate to get up here. But I've arrived at some ruins of an old church here. So check out these vibes. Ruins of an old church. There's actually trees growing out of it. Check out the vibes over here. There's hardly anyone up here. I haven't seen any like foreigners or tourists either. Got a few locals that have come by here, but this seems to be like an old ruined church. Well, it says it on the map that it's a ruined French church because a lot of the French colonized in this area here, which is real interesting. So yeah, apparently there's a lot of these buildings hidden inside this forest here. Look at all these trees growing here. wonder if there's any snakes around here. Someone's had a fire going here. See if you can see any snakes. Any wild snakes. A couple of crevices here. Nothing in there. It's pretty amazing how the vegetation's just overgrown a lot of this building here. Well, the base of it's just remaining. Must have been a while ago that this was here, because look at this tree dumped right in the middle here. Well, not dumped, but growing right in the middle here. And those ones are growing in the middle here as well. Some local lady here sorting out her rubbish. Xin chào. Huh? Mốt? Mốt what? Ah, yes. Only me. She was just saying by myself. I said, yep. Just traveling by myself. Actually, what we will do is we'll lock the motorbike and we'll go a walk down this path. Go for a walk down this path. See where that path goes. I think there's some more ruins around here. Wonder what that is. Looks like another French type building of sorts. It is. Looks like the chimney. Let's have a bit of a look closer. I wonder if this was a church. Looked like a chimney. I don't know what it is. Some kind of ruins. People are coming here and just creating little fires in the middle of this forest. No monkeys around. It's pretty cool, eh? I wonder what this is. Looks like a well. Must have been something underneath. So we're making our way to the top of Mount Bavi. It's getting quite steep though, but check out these vibes. We've come up quite a long way. It's about 1,300 meters up, straight up 1,300 meters, but it's taken, I think, about 2 or 3 kilometers to get up here on the windy roads. But the view's pretty good out there. Alright guys, so we have made it here to the highest point in Bavi Mountain. This is the car park area. You can go a little bit further up to a pagoda that I believe takes about, I think, 20 minutes to get up there. But a beautiful view from at the top of this mountain, Bavi Mountain. And the sun's just coming through. Check that out. As soon as we jump on the camera, the sun comes through. Amazing. Anyway guys, it is really chilly up here. It's about probably 1 degree. There's a lot of people here wearing jackets and scarves and stuff like that. We are heading into winter here. It's December, so it's the beginning of what they call the dry season. There's pretty much just 2 seasons, dry season and wet season. Wet season is basically the summer season, and the dry season is basically the winter season. So we're heading into the winter season now. Alright guys, so we have made it to the top of Bavi Mountain. There's a bit of a temple up here. So we'll go and check out this temple and check out the vibes, and then come back down and maybe grab something to eat. So let's head on up. It's a Taoist temple. So hopefully it's not too far in to the forest. I did see some guys bringing up look like cement bags. So I think they're doing a bit of cementing up here. Maybe a bit of work. But all along the road actually you see these colourful flags. I'm not sure what they represent or what they are. And I think they're actually doing cementing, because this looks kind of new. Looks really good as well. They've got like a speaker in the garden there playing songs while you're walking up to the temple. It's quite funny actually. Check that out guys. Don't cut down the tree, you let it grow and you build around it. Good stuff, Vietnam. Check it out guys. One of the praying rooms, Taoism. I don't know if you can see, but there's a reverse swastika up there. Wonder what that symbolizes. Let's have a bit of a look. Right at the top of the mountain. This is one of the temples located at the top. Taoist temple is just a small one. Mist is just covering a lot of the mountains out there and the villages. And you got the sun as well. But we've made it up here up to the top, and look down there, there's a garden. Looks like the temple people grow their own food here, which is good. Lettuces. Down there looks like potatoes. Cabbages. All sorts down there. Even a lemon tree. Alright guys, we're going to leave it at that. It's been an awesome ride up here to Bavi Mountain and just interacting with nature again and checking out the nature vibes and the temple and just the scenery here. Beautiful. No rain today, which is really good. The sun's popped out, which is even better. But now it's time to head back to Hanoi. Anyway guys, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you guys on the next video. Experience the journey, inspire others, live life guys.